friends, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is sweet porridge from Indonesia. Consists of black glutinous rice and mung bean and served with salted coconut milk. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. 1 cup of mung bean and 1 cup of glutinous black glutinous rice. And the next day, rinse and place the mung beans into a pot, and then add in 4 cups of water, and we're gonna bring this to fully boil for 7 minutes. Starts to boil like that, put on the lid and set the timer for 7 minutes. And do the same for the black glutinous rice. This is rinse and add in 4 cups of water. Bring to fully boil for 7 minutes. Starts to boil, cover it and boil for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, turn off the heat and let it stand for half hour. After half cup of resting, add in 2 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, and bring back to boil. So add in 1 thumb of bruised ginger and 1 knotted screw pine leaf or pandan. Now boil for 10 to 15 minutes or more if you like them to be more softer. Now for the black glutinous rice, add in 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water and bring back to boil. The black glutinous rice, you want to boil it until it becomes porridge. So this is the consistency that you want to reach for the porridge, for the black glutinous rice. I have here is 1 can of coconut milk, instant coconut milk, with 1 knotted screw pine leaf or pandan leaf and a little bit of salt to taste. You can boil this, but I'm just gonna warm it in microwave. So since the porridge, mung bean and black glutinous rice are sweet, you want to balance it with this coconut milk. That's why you flavor it with salt to taste. For serving, spoon some of the black glutinous porridge. And then top it with mung bean porridge. And then we're gonna top it with our coconut milk. Some people in Indonesia love serving it with ice cubes or crushed ice, also with sweetened condensed milk. It's up to you. I'll serve it as is, or again with ice, crushed ice or sweetened condensed milk. Enjoy. And I like mine with ice.